Call it today, or testimony as we call it in church, of how I started using drugs at the age of 12, started with marijuana, and that's why, you know, I feel it's just so dangerous what we're doing when we're talking about legalizing marijuana and how it's not a problem. There's no harm. I mean, I'm a living witness that it caused a lot of problems, a lot of harm, and it was very much addictive. And it also led me to use other drugs, which I ended up on crack cocaine for a brief period of time, snorting cocaine at the age of 17, just all this kind of stuff that I went through. And I'm not here to just tell you about all that because it's in the book.